all the saturation of information that's going on within this world at this current point, what is your advice to the younger generation, to people, the younger people especially, on how to engage with Inzalo Yelanga and carry this tradition forward?
We, as the Great Empire of Kemet, we are relentless in making sure that the youth receive the information that will empower them to build a better Africa. So therefore, we are just bringing the information and to empower our youth, because this is what will put you in the position that you were meant to be, fully aligned. So therefore, the future demands that the youth engage with such content, especially the content pre-colonial, content, because after colonization, there's nothing of value. So we are bringing it forward to the youth to empower them, and we know that there are a lot of distraction, but as advised, the future is prepared now. So you need to prepare now for the future that you want, and the foundation of that, it is that alignment with nature.